A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to switch from Movistar to Vodafone and want to keep your number, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure that your Movistar account is active and not under any contract obligations. If you have outstanding payments or a locked account, you may need to resolve those first. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all required information, including your Movistar phone number, account number, and personal identification. This information will be needed for the porting request. Step 3. Visit a Vodafone store or website. Go to a nearby Vodafone store or visit their official website to initiate the porting process. You may need to fill out a form with your details and the number you wish to port. Step 4. Receive a new SIM card. Once your porting request is processed, Vodafone will provide you with a new SIM card. Insert it into your phone, but keep your Movistar SIM until the porting is confirmed. Step 5. Confirm porting completion. Wait for a confirmation message from Vodafone that your number has been successfully ported. This usually takes a few hours, but it can sometimes take up to 24 hours. If you experience issues, contact Vodafone customer service. Switching providers can feel daunting, but following these steps should help you keep your number without a hitch. Good luck with your new Vodafone service.